taking a resupply for myself.
Do it.
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Should I try to hit the Bile Titan? Fuck it. Fuck it. It's not gonna land.